So I'm back again with my new chapter, that is question answers of the swan and the princess. Whom did Devdatta shot down? Devdutt ने किसको मार गिराया? Devdatta shot down a swan. Why was Devdatta angry with Siddharth? Devdutt सिद्धार्थ से नाराज क्यों था? Devdutt had shot down a swan which was picked up by Siddhartha. Devdutt was angry with the Siddhartha because he refuses to give the swan to him. Why did Devdatta says that the swan was his? देवदत्त ने क्यों कहा कि हंस उसका है? देवदत्ता had shot down the swan. He was Kshatriya and Kshatriya had the right to his hunt. So he said the swan was his. Why did Siddhartha say that the swan was his? Siddhartha ने क्यों कहा कि हंस उसका है? Swan was shot down by Devdatta, but Siddhartha has saved his life. He said that he had the right because he protected it, so the swan belonged to him. Why did Devdatta go to the king? Devdatta राजा के पास क्यों गया? Devdutt had shot down a swan. Siddhartha picked it up and refused to give it to Devdatta. So Devdatta went to the king for justice. Why was the king confused? राजा संशक में क्यों था? Devdatta had shot down a swan, and being a Kshatriya, it was a right on it. But to protect the supplement also the duty of Kshatriya, and Siddhartha had protected. The king could not decide to whom the swan should be given. So the king has confused. Why did the chief minister ask Siddhartha to do? मुख्यमंत्री ने सिद्धार्था से क्या करने के लिए कहा? The chief minister asked Siddhartha to put the swan on the tool. When the swan did not respond to Devdatta, then the chief minister asked Siddhartha to call the bird. Who decided the case finally? अंत में किसने मामले का फैसला किया? The swan itself decided the case finally. Who got the swan and why? Siddhartha got the swan because he saved his life. The swan knew that Devdatta would kill him, but it would be safe with Siddhartha, so he responded to Siddhartha call. Why did swan fly to Siddhartha arms? हंस सिद्धार्थ की गोद में क्यों चला गया? When Siddhartha asked the swan to come and sit in his arm, it was once flew in his arm, and because it knew that it would be safe with Siddhartha. Draw a character sketch of Prince Devdatta. राजकुमार देवदत्ता का चरित्र वर्णन कीजिए. Prince Devdatta is a cousin of Siddhartha, the crown princess of Kapilvastu. Prince Devdatta is fond of hunting. He shot his flying swan with his arrow. The swan fell down wounded. He established his claims over the swan because he has shot it. Kshatriya can't give up his kill. When Siddhartha does not give him his swan, he goes to the court for justice. He cannot feel that shooting bird himself involves cruelty. When he asks the swan to come to his court, the swan trembles and cries with fear. It shows the cruel nature of Devdatta. Devdatta is a Kshatriya. He was a good bowman and an expert architecture, but he is devoid to comparison. Draw a characteristic of the king. राजा का चरित्र चरण कीजिए. King Sudodhan is the king of Kapilvastu. Devdatta complains that the prince will not give him his swan. He wants justice from the king. Sudodhan smiles and asks Devdatta to be calm. He feels that it was very naughty of Siddhartha. He proves that the claim of Devdatta saying that a Kshatriya can't give up when what he had shot. When Siddhartha said that a Kshatriya can't give up a suppliant, it confused the king Sudodhan because both the princes are right to their claim. He wants a fair deal in justice, hence asked the chief minister to decide the case. Chief minister informed the king that it was the swan who decided the case. The king is satisfied with the decision. Character stage of Prince Siddhartha. राजकुमार सिद्धार्थ का चरित्र चरण कीजिए. Prince Siddhartha is son of King Sudodhan of Kapilvastu. The wounded swan falls near him. He picks up. He nurses it. He claims his right on the swan because he saved his life, and he is Kshatriya. He can't give up a suppliant. It came to him for protection. Swan love for Prince Siddhartha. The swan put on a tool at the bid of chief minister. When the prince called the swan to come him, it at once flies on his arm. Other ministers were satisfied with final decision. They believe that Siddhartha is a good lad. In the end, they praise the prince by saying, "Long lives Prince Siddhartha." Why did Siddhartha made the real owner of the swan? सिद्धार्था को हंस का वास्तविक मालिक क्यों बनाया गया? Siddhartha is a crown prince of Kapilvastu. Devdatta shot a flying swan in his arrow. It falls down near the prince Siddhartha, the prince feels pity for the swan. He keeps the swan into his arm. The prince cared for the swan. Devdatta came and demanded his swan. Siddhartha says that he saved his life. It is his suppliant. The dispute of prince over the claim of swan comes to the court. Chief minister applies the principle to natural choice. Swan began to tremble and cries in fear when Devdatta called it. But when Siddhartha calls it, it at once flies on his arm. It proves that savior is greater than the killer. So Siddhartha made the real owner of the swan. Why did the swan did not come to Devdatta? Why can you say that the nature of bird in respect? हंस देवदत्ता के पास क्यों नहीं आया? इस प्रकार आप पक्षियों के स्वभाव की विशेषताएं में क्या कह सकते हैं? When Devdatta called out the swan did not come to him. It began to tremble. It cried with fear because it knew that it could not be safe with Devdatta. When Siddhartha asked the swan to sit in his arm, it at once flew to his arm because it knew that it would be safe and Siddhartha. In respect, we can say that a bird can feel the difference between love and cruelty. Thank you.